It is an incredible time to be at Lake Anna. I don't know about you guys, but winter's here for me living here full time at Lake Anna. I can get a little bit of a cabin fever feel. I start craving the sunshine and cannot wait for it to come back out. Today is an incredible day. I've got flowers blooming for the spring bloom. It is so warm. It's like toasty just sitting in this chair right now. It's so nice and toasty. I love the sunlight on me. And more importantly, if you are in the market to sell your home at Lake Anna, this is the time, an incredible time to do it. As you can see, with the weather changing, that brings more buyers, particularly because the water becomes usable for water sports and activities. So we get a lot more traffic here at the lake. This is an incredible time to list your home for sale. If you're considering selling your Lake Anna home, please be sure to contact me. We can go over a consultation, what I think your home could sell for in this market by showing you the data and what we're seeing, and give you a plan for helping you achieve that goal. My number is always in the posts associated with the video or on the page, so please don't hesitate to reach out.